got hoes. I got hoes in different area codes. Area codes. Is it 'cause they like my gangsta wall? Gangsta wall. Whatever it is, they love it and they just won't let me be.
So anyway, yeah, dude, this nigga was fucking, literally, he hit the right, and then out of nowhere, he just starts going, right, and then foam starts coming out of his mouth, right? Yeah, yeah, he fell a mile down the river. Yeah, he fell in the river and everything. This had like a seizure, like this nigga was like.
You went the river?
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. That didn't happen. I right after it hit.
Ooh, that's really did what happened.
Oh,
hey, that's just that player in him, bruh.
Which one? How many?
Y'all can't.
Oh, shit.
Y'all for real? Devin,
right.
I told you, Devin.
Yeah,
I told you that
player.
Devin be f***ing.
Exactly.
The fucking player, my goodness.
Devin's out here,
Hey,
cuz.
we gotta keep on.
And we keep it on the DL though, bro. But real talk, dude, Devin be taking my bitches. That's why I'm a virgin and he's not.
Hey, what did I just say?
Oh, my bad, bro. My bad. Sorry, Devin. Oh, what's that? It was recording? Oh,
What are we gonna call you? Because you got the same name.
well, this guy over here,
Bahani and Devin, what's
he's been f***ing bitches too. I can't lie. He's out here, cuz. Hey, any ladies want to get at my man Devin right here? He got his own spot. Free advertisement right here, cuz. He got.
But I'm about to destroy his advertisement with this one question. How many girls have you been with where your titties are bigger?
Damn!
Okay.
Damn, Devin.
I think one.
Alright,
I worked my.
Hey, it was hella funny. We're like, we're not doing anything suspicious, father. That was hella
You
funny.
think it's gonna cut through?
You want to lift it up on an incline? You trying to kill me?
Metal.
Hey, bro, if she not sucking, what you doing?
Huh?
If she
Dude,
not sucking.
some bitch was like and cut it with her
Right here?
braces.
Right here?
What?
Yeah.
You swear to God, dude, this a girl with braces was and his skin got cut in her fucking and it cut his dog.
Experience.
Hey, just cut it right here, right?
Nigga, I don't want to talk about cutting shit now. No, dude.
Hey, right here.
I don't care. It doesn't matter where you want to cut it. Is there hangers?
This nigga doesn't give a single.
I can't believe a year later we're still around with this nigga's car.
I know, for real. What the is wrong with you?
He spent all that money on the Honda, and where is that? Oh, nobody knows. Guys, hey, you saw the
Hey, we
picture?
can just leave the muffler on. We just cut like a little piece out.
What?
So yeah.
What's this nigga talking?
You know the pipe where the Y hits, cut a piece there and cut another piece a little further down, and leave
For
the
real.
muffler on there. We'll hold it right. So I mean,
Just chilling right there.
but cut to different.
Alright, done. You're good. Go home now.
Ooh. That shit just dangling right there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you really gonna have to.
I know, I will. Go start it. Okay.
Sounds better.
Let me grab this bitch. Hey, move!
Mine's better with the resonator on. I mean, if I take the resonator off.
When you put it in neutral, it doesn't rev. It doesn't let you rev.
Did you cut it?
Yeah.
Both of them?
No,
No, just
only
the
one.
first
Look
one.
underneath.
Huh?
Look underneath.
We just cut the first one real quick. I mean, if we cut the resonator off, it's gonna be all loud.
You gonna let it hang the pipe like that?
Oh no. I mean, it sounds good, but I mean, it's gonna sound even better with the resonator off.
Right.
Devin, so tie the thing.
We will.
Figure out something.
Oh, you know what I should have done? It's just one pipe?
Yeah, I mean, there's that one, or
I
we
should
go
have
all
I
the way
should
to
have
the
cut it. I
resonator.
should have cut it where the hanger is. So it doesn't.
Yeah, so just hang down.
But कितने कटे वो?
Right there.
Bandar, why didn't you cut right there?
I know. That's what I said.
Well, it doesn't matter. I mean, I'm gonna get another piece of it. You can cut it again and cut it as further.
No, but if you would have cut it over here and then you didn't have to there.
This is what you get if you let this guy work on your car, ladies and gentlemen. For real.
It's fine, 'cause I'm gonna take
This is all your fault.
I mean, you can clearly see that.
I know.
Okay.
I don't even have to.
I asked this one.
This guy's
okay. He's like, I don't
What do you
care.
mean, okay, you underneath cutting it?
तेरा दिमाग set
तेरा
there?
दिमाग set है?
That's Devin's line.
Dude, why didn't you look what I told you? You're supposed to be like, you're supposed to help me out, make some.
I know. I was just standing here. I was like, I don't care. Just
I know you didn't give him any
Well, is this on
directions about
hangers?
you won't.
Yeah, that's on hangers. Sounds good.
Drink water, ladies and gentlemen. This is a PSA.
I don't know.
You didn't have to do it.
Here too. I mean, you wanna do that?
How are we gonna do that?
How far is resonator down? Like, is it super far down?
Oh, you want to get?
Yeah.
Oh, I see what. Hey, we about to do. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
I
let's
see
cut
you.
the
I
whole-
see you.
I mean, we can leave that muffler on so it looks like there's actually.
All right, hey,
mufflers,
this is the
but-
plan. So we're gonna go get a piece of pipe and get clamps
And see how that works.
and then cut it and then. Okay, I see you.
Yeah,
I
you see what I'm talking about? Wanna do that real
Damn,
quick?
we have to do this. All right, we'll
We
do
can do
that.
this real quick.
Yeah, we
We'll be
can
good.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I won't. I don't have to leave for 5:30.
Yeah, and your body. I mean, you can.
So we're gonna. We finna do a custom exhaust on this car, and we're cutting it. Dude.
Custom was exhaust
How?
right here at Devan's Body Shop.
Yota Boys.
Yota Boys, my bad.
Look at these.
So many selections. What the is that guy doing up there?
It just goes to the
Ooh.
side just a bit.
Hey, yeah, mine's is to the left, just like a little bit, just like turn it a little bit,
Like,
just like yeah. That's how basically how my looks, ladies. Fuck with me.
Can you get this one?
how many do you need? One?
I'm trying to get it now.
Fucking, what is that? Oh, guys, went on the curb. Yeah, I just said that. Why you keep going?
Word.
All right, back your shit up in the garage. Back in, fool.
You have to come out back.
Check yourself. Or,
Break yourself, fool.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
like that. Break yourself, fool.
damn, did you put an exhaust on that?
Fucking Devin. Wow, dude, that really gets my whistle wet. It does get my. Oh. What is that?
There's brakes.
What is? Why are they
Why
doing
is
that?
it doing that? What are you doing?
The pipe is on the ground. It's scraping.
You need to change your brakes.
That wasn't the brakes. It's the pipe scraping on the ground.
No, it's not. That was not your pipe. The pipe did not touch the
That my
ground.
brakes?
That was your brakes. Look.
They did not sound like that.
Listen.
Oh shit! That.
Left the parking brake on?
Yeah.
You dumb.
This is crazy,
You
bro.
left the parking brake on.
I was like, God damn, my ears are gone. Scared the Lulu. Number one.
It sounded like it was party.
I want to get some ice cream or some.
Where are you going? This way.
Don't know how to do shit.
Yeah, it looks straight. Oh, that's straight. You're good. Watch
What?
it. Yeah, it's good.
What?
It's good.
What?
Fuck up.
Can't
Y'all
hear.
ready for this shit?
Oh my lord.
What are we doing?
Yeah, go for it. That's loud as. Alright, so this is how we did this ghetto ass job.
I mean, it isn't even that bad. It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, I told you side pipe looks sick. Alright, start it. Oh, okay, okay. That sounds pretty good. There you go, get it down.
Dude, that's hella
Damn, it's
weird.
hella popping.
Yeah, I know. That's hella sick.
I wonder how the drone is.
I mean, it's not that bad. It's not even that loud. I mean, it's not like shit as the Honda, because the Honda was.
Oh, the Honda was so
It
bad.
was
We'll see.
unbearable.
We'll see when you start driving. Here you go.
It was hella unbearable. That's hella sick. I thought it was gonna be like super. I think it's just my car inside is really quiet.
Yeah. We'll just have to. We'll see how it is on the freeway. No, there's no one around. Go forward, forward, forward. Okay, okay.
Oh shit, dude.
That sounds good. That sounds
It
pretty
does.
good. We need to do a drive-by, a flyby. Here you go. Why is it breaking up like that? That's not good. Your car's not running right.
I don't think it is.
I think you need spark plugs and air filter. I think something's wrong. Your tune is bad. The drone is so bad. The drone is bad.
Oh, it's.
Okay, so there is a little bit of exhaust drum. Well, that's because it's dumped like right the there. But I guess a successful job. I guess we did. So yeah.
For sure.
All right.
For sure it is. Make sure you subscribe to Yota Boys.
For more real on this car and all the other.
And we got 12 minutes. Okay.
Alright, whatever. Just take
I'll do it.
Alright, make sure you hit the like button. Alright.
Yota Boys. Gang gang.